We go to practice law for a lot of different reasons, but I hope most attorneys do it so that they can help people. And this is certainly an opportunity to help people. My name is Kelsey Dame. I am an attorney with Warner Norcross Judd. I specialize in both labor and employment law and criminal defense. When I got into practice, we didn't do a ton of work generally with human trafficking victims, but when the Joseph Project approached our firm and asked if we'd be interested in helping, it seemed like a perfect fit, a way to get involved and help individuals who really could use the benefits of expungement. And because I was practicing criminal defense, which overlapped with expungement law, with the new clean slate law that were passed in 2020, I thought that it would be something that would be very fulfilling work for me to get involved in. So for me personally, this was one of the first experiences that I've had with a victim of human trafficking. And what was so amazing to me was the relationship that I was able to build with Ruth. What stuck out to me was just the incredible successes that she had had after breaking free from human trafficking. It was incredible to see that she had not only written a book, but she had gotten involved in trainings to help other individuals that had been victims of human trafficking, that she had been appointed to a board by Governor Snyder to assist individuals and give her story to help others, understand the severity of human trafficking, the prevalence of human trafficking, and just to get her story out. And I love the fact that she has taken an activist approach. She goes around, she speaks to individuals, shares her story in a very vulnerable way in an effort to try and help others. And I was just really inspired by that. Being able to be just a small piece of somebody's redemption story was really, really cool. And so when the judge presented the case, he called our case to order. The judge didn't even take a minute to say that he was going to grant our order and was going to expunge those convictions.
Before we get started, anything you'd like to say on behalf of Ms. Rhonda concerning this application?
Fortunately, Ms. Rhonda was able to escape the clutches of sex trafficking in the 90s, and with the help of 3 years of intensive rehabilitation counseling, has completely turned her life around, accomplishing things that people may never get the chance to do in their life. So we ask the court today to expunge these convictions. Thank you.
My goodness, you have made some changes in your life that are impressive and I think noteworthy. And I applaud you for everything that you have done. I really do. What you had to go through, I can't even imagine. It's my privilege to enter these orders at this time, setting aside these convictions for you, ma'am. You certainly have benefited the public immensely. You've earned the benefit of the law here. I'm happy for you that the law changed. You're able to have these items removed from your record.
There's not a lot of time where I get emotional when I'm in the courtroom. To be able to get to the finish line, help somebody achieve the expungement of convictions that had kind of been held over their head for a very long period of time. It is such a rewarding experience. With the human trafficking arena, it's almost more rewarding because these individuals, most of the convictions that they have on their record were not as a result of their own doing. So what I would say to other attorneys that were hesitant about engaging in this sort of work is that you are going to meet some of the most inspiring people that are out there. I think something that's important to remember is that it doesn't matter your area of practice. You don't have to be a criminal defense attorney to help somebody. I recommend that everybody take the opportunity to learn more about the Joseph Project. The Joseph Project's mission of helping individuals who are victims of human trafficking is a very noble mission. The ability to help somebody is incredible. And so I recommend that any attorney in any practice area get involved in the expungement arena.